there, this is Matt from VMP Performance, and today on this episode of Shop Talk Saturday, we're going to see what we can do with this 69 Chevelle. You're probably wondering, when did we start working on carbureted cars? But alas, it is not carbureted. It has a Fast ECU street management system on it. It's actually working pretty well on the cars, so it came here for us to get it dialed in, and so we're going to see what we can do. It has a Blueprint Engines 396 at about 10:3-to-1 compression and a fairly healthy camshaft. So we're going to address any kind of drivability concerns it has, make a couple dyno hits on it, and see what we can get out of this thing. Alright, so we got everything dialed in. Air fuel's looking really good during the pull. Took a couple changes, but we got it. We still need to make a few timing adjustments, but other than that, we're looking good. It actually dynoed at 386 to the tire through the 700R4, which does not have a locked converter. That's actually pretty healthy for a motor, especially an old pushrod motor. So I'm liking what I'm seeing here. We're going to go ahead and get it off here, make a few more adjustments, and clean up some of the street driving, and that will do it. If you like this episode of Shop Talk Saturday, or you would like to see more, remember to hit the like, share, and subscribe button.